Okay, I just want to take a quick video demonstrating something kind of cool I got working today, and that is that when you have an empty list, it actually shows up now. Before it used to not allow you to go inside of it. So for example, this tab view has some elements in it that I can look at, but this one has nothing in it, right? Before it wouldn't even let you click on it. Now it does, and I can add to that list obviously, and when I do that, it'll actually drop that in the code automatically. I format that, actually it looks like it didn't format it very well. So that's just kind of cool little thing that you're finally gonna be able to do. It was driving me nuts because after you would delete this, it would literally not let you add any items, and you couldn't do that. The issue had to do with the filters because the way the filter had been working is it had been looking for options. It's been looking for sub nodes in the syntax tree that it was able to edit, I guess. And you know, if there were no items, it wouldn't find it, so they would think that you couldn't drill any further. And this is starting to work pretty well for designer mode, because ultimately what's going to happen is the view hierarchy for the designer mode is just going to be a highly filtered abstract syntax tree, and so every edit they make on it is going to be correct in terms of like it's actually a real code edit. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, before I get this release out, I have to fix some things because I've been adding modifier support, which is pretty cool. But the thing is that it doesn't actually work with rendering right now. So like, obviously, I think if I click the start app button, it'll actually crash. And the reason why has to do with like, I have to change the way it's actually producing the renders. And that's halfway complete. So until then, I'm not gonna be able to publish this release, but the release is really nice. I think it's gonna actually start making it so you can build some pretty cool views because you actually can put modifiers on it. That's all I wanted to say. Hope you guys have had a great weekend.